Assalamu alaikum, and again a very good morning to all my students and whoever is watching this video. As I said, again a beautiful day in front of us, a sunny, beautiful, bright day that is going to make our life bright and beautiful, and we are going to do a lot. And I hope you're doing any one good deed daily in Ramadan. So it's better to do one good thing and write it down and just put it in a jar, and let's see how many good deeds you have done in Ramadan. So try to do any one or two good deeds in a day and write it. And then let's see, you have to collect all the good deeds, because Ramadan is the best time to collect all the good things, to do a lot, help a lot, care a lot. So you're going to do that. And let's see how many you can collect, right? So this is only for Ramadan, because we don't count if you're helping somebody, we don't count if you're doing something good. But this Ramadan time, just to encourage the kids to do something uh, good daily, I'm just asking you to, whenever you do something, just write it on a piece of paper and put it in a ball, and that you should know that you did on day one, you did this good thing, on day two, day three, day four. So you will collect all the 30 good deeds in this month of Ramadan, or maybe you can even do more than 30. You can do even 40, 50, and even more than that. So that will help you to make it as a practice, to make it a habit for the rest of the year as well. So we are again in front of each other. This is our literacy class right now. And you remember that we are learning alphabets. So today we are going to learn to trace another alphabet that we did before, but we are going to now practice it tracing, right? So remember the other day we did something like there was nose and neck, and remember, yes, that was N. We did N that day. So I hope you remember we did necklace and neck and nose and nail. Remember nail and the other nail I showed you, and the net and notebook and nest. So we did so much that day. So today we are going to learn to trace in one stroke and the other stroke, right? One stroke and the next stroke. One and two. This is very easy, as you're doing it already. The easy strokes, this is one and two, right? So, and this time we're going to start a new book. Yes, we are going to start our beautiful purple book. Remember we made this purple color? Yes. So we are going to start this purple book, and this says N to Z, right? This is also alphabet. This is also have a cute dinosaurs on it. This is not a green dinosaur this time. This is not even a yellow dinosaur. Now we have a magenta, maybe violet, or a little magenta and violet dinosaur. So this is also very cute, and he's also happy to start the new book. And let's see which page we have to start with. We are going to start with page number 10, right? Yes, we're going to start with page number 10. Now, open to page number 10 and tell me what do you see on page number 10 and 11. Yes. Now you see somebody holding a pencil and wearing a cap. Yes. And who she is? She is a nurse. N is for nurse. Yes, very good. N is for nurse. So we are going to start a tracing, right? We will just put it over here like this, and we will do the tracing on the big N and then on the small N. I hope you can see this, right? As I told you, two strokes, one and two, one, two, one, and two. And same is with this, right? Look like same? Yes. So we are going to practice it over here first. with the help of fingers. 1, 2. Yes. 1, 2. Very good. Now, once again. 1, 2. Very good. So we are going to now start tracing with the help of the pencil. Yes. Now you're going to start it with the red dot, as you know, and you're going to follow the arrow. So you're going to come down vertically and then a little curve and then come down, right? 1 and 2. Yes. Okay. Now sit comfortably, hold the pencil properly, and start tracing the letter N. Yes. Start tracing is number 1 and number 2. Very good. Easy? Yes, I know you can do that very easily. You know how to trace now. That's great. Okay, now show me. Very good. Okay, that's great. So now we're going to practice tracing over here. See, you're not going to leave any space over here, as there is one dot over here and the other is over here, but here both the red dots are joined, right, with the lines. Now this is 1 and this is 2. This is 1 and this is 2, right? And this is 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, yes. You're going to complete these 3 lines only. You're going to leave this maybe for later homework. So we are going to do 3 lines of N. Yes. We do 3 lines of N. Yes. This and this. This and this. Very good. Okay. Now come on, just do it and I'll just have a look at that. Okay. So is it easy? The strokes are very easy, right? One is vertically down and the other is a little curve and then down. So that's very easy for you to do that. Okay, so that's great. Okay, lovely. Okay, now have a look at this now. This says that draw lines to match the letter N to the nurse. Now, which N we are going to follow? This N, small n, right? So draw lines to match the letter N to the nurse. We are only going to draw the lines which goes to the small n towards the nurse. So now how did this what is this? N. What is this? D. What is this? K. Then B. Yes, we have 3 N's. Okay. Now the sound of the N. What is the sound of the N? Nurse. Nest. Net. Neck. Nose. Necklace. Nail. Right? So not na. It's not na, because nose and necklace, right? So we are going to only see and we are going to trace the line towards the nurse. Yes, we're going to trace the line towards the nurse. So this is number 1. Trace it towards the nurse. Is this? No. Then yes. Line towards the nurse. Good. And the other one is, yeah, that's the last one. Very good. Yes, quickly draw the line. Okay, that's great. That is great. Okay, lovely. So we have done N today. We have already done the vocabulary of N, and we are now going to trace the lowercase n and the uppercase n. So we did the lowercase n today, and we're going to do the uppercase n tomorrow. Okay, so we will do this tomorrow in another new book we're going to start. So we will do the uppercase and the lowercase parallel. So we will be able to finish that together. Okay. Yes, and we will be doing the a little different exercises as well, so you don't get bored. So we'll do a lot of reading exercises, and we'll do a couple of different exercises. So you'll not only stick to the alphabets, we will do some different fun as well. Okay. So this was our literacy class today, and we have traced the alphabet N, and you are going to practice it. You can practice it with the crayon, you can practice it with the paint, you can practice it with the pencil, you can even practice it on the sand, clean sand, if you have that. So you can do that. You can do that on your drawing pad in your computer or your phones, on your on your tabs. So, but do practice that to make it perfect, right? So I'm going to say goodbye from this class now, and I'll see you in the next class, inshallah, very soon. Till then, I pray and wish to for you to be safe and happy and healthy, and yes, please be grateful for whatever you have. So that is very, very important. And Ramadan is like, it's always the best time to be grateful, but Ramadan is even beautiful and the best and the blessed time to be even more and more and more grateful for everything we have. So I'm going to say you goodbye, and we'll see each other soon, inshallah, in the next class. Till then, please practice all the alphabets. Yes, keep on practicing. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up, and then share it with your friends. Yes, yes, I know. So you are going to do that. So I'm going to say goodbye and Allah Hafiz.